In this video, we're breaking down 13 driving secrets you've likely never been told, from avoiding deadly blind spots to understanding the hidden meanings of dashboard light colors. Think you already know it all? Let's find out how much you're really missing. Number 1, the 3-second following rule. What if one of the easiest ways to prevent an accident is something you're probably skipping every day? Most drivers don't realize how much they underestimate stopping distances. Tailgating isn't just rude, it's dangerous. That's where the 3-second following rule comes in, a proven strategy to help avoid rear-end collisions. Here's how it works. Pick a landmark up ahead, a road sign, tree, or pole. When the car in front of you passes it, start counting. If you reach the landmark in less than 3 seconds, you're too close. Bad weather? Increase it to at least 4 or 6 seconds for safety. Small habit, major difference, and it's just the foundation of defensive driving. Number 2, how to feel brake fade before it happens. Ever noticed your brakes feel soft or less responsive during a long drive? That's brake fade sneaking up on you. It's common during long downhill stretches or when you're using the brakes excessively, like in stop-and-go traffic. What happens is that intense friction heats up the brake pads and fluid, reducing their ability to grip and creating that mushy, unsteady pedal feel. You can spot brake fade early if you pay attention. Signs include a pedal that feels spongy or takes more pressure to stop the car. To avoid it, shift to a lower gear on descents to let the engine assist braking. Number 3, what your tire wear pattern is secretly telling you. What if your tires are warning you about a hidden problem in your car? Uneven tire wear isn't just cosmetic, it's a red flag. For example, center wear often points to overinflation, while excessive wear on the outer edges suggests underinflation or alignment issues. Cupping, which leaves bumpy, uneven patches, might mean your suspension system is worn or damaged. Ignoring these signs can lead to dangerous consequences. Underinflated or improperly worn tires generate extra heat, which increases the risk of blowouts. Number 4, the right way to warm up your engine in winter. Think leaving your car idling for 10 minutes on a cold morning is protecting your engine. Not exactly. Prolonged idling can actually harm modern engines while wasting fuel. Most cars built in the last few decades have fuel-injected systems that don't require extended warm-ups. In fact, letting your car idle too long means the engine runs inefficiently, leading to extra wear and tear over time. Starting and moving the car efficiently not only conserves fuel, but also protects your engine's durability in the long run. Number 5, why turning your wheels when parked could save your life. Ever think the way you angle your wheels when parking could prevent a disaster? Picture this: a car parked on a sloped street, its brake system quietly failing. The result? A runaway vehicle that could cause significant damage or worse. By simply turning your wheels, you can create a backup safety mechanism to stop unintended movement. On flat ground or without a curb, always point your wheels toward the roadside instead of traffic. It's a small habit with potentially life-saving outcomes. Number 6, the exact blind spot. Most drivers forget. You check your mirrors, maybe even glance over your shoulder, but there's one blind spot most drivers overlook: the area directly around the front of your car and near larger vehicles. It's easy to assume the area in front is always visible, but the height of your hood, combined with improper mirror angles, creates a surprisingly large no-see zone. To minimize this risk, carefully adjust your mirrors to capture as much of the vehicle perimeter as possible, side mirrors slightly outward, and rear view mirrors centered. Number 7, when low tire pressure becomes deadly. A drop in tire pressure might seem minor, but it can quickly turn deadly. Underinflated tires overheat more easily, dramatically increasing the risk of a blowout. When this happens at high speeds, it can result in a complete loss of control. And it's not just safety on the line. Low tire pressure also impacts handling, making sudden turns or emergency stops riskier, especially in bad weather. While tire pressure monitoring systems, TPMS, help, manual checks remain essential. investing just moments could save you fuel, money, and potentially your life. Number 8. How to escape a submerged vehicle. A common and dangerous myth is waiting for the car to fill with water to escape. That delay could cost precious seconds. Instead, act immediately while the car's systems may still work. Unbuckle your seatbelt first. It may jam or fail under water pressure later. Next, focus on the windows. If they still operate, roll them down. If not, use a window breaker. This compact tool is designed to shatter tempered glass instantly. Keep seatbelt cutters and window breakers easily accessible in your car. They're lifesavers when mechanisms fail. Once there's an opening, exit as quickly as possible before pressure equalizes. Acting on these steps saves lives. Number 9. The little known. Meaning behind different dashboard. Light colors. Think all dashboard lights are the same? Their colors might just save your life. Modern vehicles use a color-coded system to show how critical an issue is. Red means stop immediately, yellow signals a problem to address soon, and green is informational, like indicating a specific feature is active. Yet, some of the most important warnings, such as tire pressure or engine overheating, are often overlooked. A tire pressure warning light, for instance, shows underinflated tires, which can cause blowouts and make your car harder to control. The engine overheating light means your car is running too hot, risking catastrophic damage. When a red light appears, pull over safely and address it quickly. Your car manual? Essential for understanding these alerts fully. Number 10. The emergency override on modern cars. What if your car's brakes or accelerator stopped responding? Would you know there's a hidden safety feature designed for moments like this? Modern cars often include emergency override systems, such as shifting into neutral or activating a kill switch to prevent runaway situations. These systems are critical when primary functions fail. Here's how they work. Shifting to neutral disengages the engine from driving the wheels, giving you control to safely stop. Some models even have electronic kill switches, cutting engine power instantly. Number 11. What to do if your brakes fail on a hill. Losing your brakes on a hill is terrifying, but staying calm can make all the difference. Start by pumping the brakes. This could restore hydraulic pressure and give you back some stopping power. At the same time, quickly downshift to a lower gear. Engine braking will reduce your speed without relying solely on the failing brakes. If those steps aren't enough, use the emergency brake, but apply it gradually. Slamming it on might lock the wheels, causing you to skid and lose control entirely. Number 12. Why turning off? Traction. Control can save you in snow. Traction control is designed to keep your car stable by limiting wheel spin, but in certain situations, like deep snow, it can actually work against you. When the system kicks in, it restricts wheel movement to prevent slipping. However, in snow or mud, you often need the wheels to spin freely to dig into the surface and gain traction. Traction control might leave you stuck, spinning helplessly. In these cases, turning it off temporarily can make all the difference. The button, often labeled ESC or with a sliding car icon, lets you disable the system to regain momentum. Always assess your surroundings. If traction control is the reason you're not moving forward, it's time to switch it off. Number 13. How to detect a failing alternator, just by sound. Could your car be issuing a warning without you realizing it? A failing alternator often announces itself with distinct sounds, like a high-pitched whine, grinding, or a squealing belt. That whine usually ramps up with engine speed, suggesting worn-out bearings struggling under stress. Grinding noises, however, are a more serious sign, pointing to internal damage that demands immediate attention. An alternator powers your car's electrical systems and recharges the battery. Ignoring these sounds can lead to dimmed headlights, malfunctioning electronics, or even complete electrical failure. Regular checks are key. Listen for these noises, inspect the drive belt for wear, and monitor your dashboard for warning lights. Driving isn't about just getting from point A to B. It's about mastering hidden skills that help protect everyone on the road. From understanding critical blind spots to reacting under extreme conditions, these 13 secrets transform you from an everyday driver into a proactive, safety-first strategist. Now that you know these essential tips, share this video to spread awareness and make the roads safer for everyone. And remember, there's always more to learn behind the wheel. Ready to keep exploring?